Now to your top 10 headlines in just 2 minutes.
A man is in the hospital following an overnight shooting near Highway 160 and A Street in Isleton. It happened around 3:30 a.m. No word on a suspect, but Sacramento deputies say fog was a factor in getting to the scene.
San Jose is now the first U.S. city to require gun owners carry insurance and pay a fee. According to the new ordinance, gun insurance would cover losses or damages resulting from accidental use of the weapon.
Spotify removing Neil Young's songs from its streaming platform after the rock legend issued an ultimatum. Young demanded his songs be removed from the platform because they are playing Joe Rogan's podcast, which he says is sharing COVID misinformation.
Attorney General Rob Bonta says California could receive more than $2 million from a massive national opioid settlement with several major pharmaceutical companies. Some of the money would be reinvested into programs to help fight addiction.
A car fire shut down portions of Highway 267 in North Lake Tahoe. Thankfully, the driver is okay and no one was hurt.
A Massachusetts driver had a close call when a huge chunk of concrete fell from an overpass and landed on his windshield. Driver Leonard Brown says amazingly, he only got a minor injury to his hand. The overpass is now being examined.
Longtime liberal Supreme Court Justice Stephen Breyer expected to announce his retirement as early as tomorrow. During his campaign for the White House, President Biden said he would select a black woman to fill the seat of a retiring justice. Speculation is ramping up that California Judge Leandra Kruger could be on the short list of candidates.
Today, Sacramento announced its 9th annual series of Farm to Fork events. Things are going to kick off with wine tasting September 8th, the Tower Bridge dinner on the 11th, and the festival later that month. Tickets go on sale July 15th at farmtofork.com.
Budweiser Clydesdales are back in the Super Bowl teaser. The brand set out the 2021 Super Bowl, breaking a 37-year streak of big game advertising. The Clydesdales still tour stadiums coast to coast.
And talk about horses. Chanel's Haute Couture show in Paris put a horse on display. Before reaching the end of the catwalk, the horse actually broke into a trot.
And those are your top 10 headlines in just 2 minutes.